To add a user as a group owner, begin by creating a new HTTP post request with name add owners. Set the URL to https://graph.microsoft.com/v1.0/group/group ID. For this patch request, replacing group ID with the actual object ID of the group where you want to add the owner. In this example, let's add an owner to group 11 which currently has no owner. In the headers, ensure that content type is set to application JSON and include authorization with your barrier token. Want to learn how to generate a new access token? Watch the video titled How to Generate Access Token in Azure Entra ID using the Graph API, accessible via the link provided in video description. In the request body, include owners@odata.bind with https://graph.microsoft.com/v1.0/directory-object/user ID. Let's say we want to add Adam and Achal as a owner. Replace user ID with the user object ID of the individual you wish to add as a owner. Once you have configured this request, click the send button. This action will add the specified user as a owner of the group. We appreciate you watching. If you found the content useful, hit the like button, subscribe, and share your feedback in the comment. Stay tuned for more tutorials.